Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a zip file. First, find the zip file you want to remove. Once located, simply right-click on it to bring up a menu of options. From this menu, select Delete. Your operating system might ask for confirmation, so just click Yes or OK. This action typically moves the file to your recycle bin or trash, allowing for recovery if needed. If you need to permanently delete a zip file, bypassing the recycle bin or trash, there's a quick method. First, select the zip file. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and simultaneously press the Delete key. Your system will likely prompt you with a warning, asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete the item. Confirm this action to complete the process. Sometimes, you might only want to delete specific items inside a zip file, not the entire archive. To do this, open the zip file using your computer's built-in zip utility or a dedicated archiving program. Navigate through the contents to find the files or folders you wish to remove. Select them, then use the delete function provided by the software. Remember to save the modified zip file afterward to apply these changes. When deleting zip files, a few best practices can help. Always ensure the file isn't open or being used by another program, as this can prevent deletion. If you encounter an access denied error, check your user permissions. For highly sensitive information, consider using a file shredder tool, which overwrites the data multiple times, making it virtually unrecoverable. Finally, always back up important files before any major deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.